Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So take to this Krishna consciousness movement and be happy in this life and next life. If you can finish your loving affairs to Krishna in this life, then you have done 10%. If not, whatever percentage you have executed in this life, that will remain with you. It will not go. That is assured in the Bhagavad Gita that Sitinam Simatangihi Yoga Brishta Sanjaya. One who cannot execute this yoga process completely 100%, he is given next birth a chance to take birth in a rich family or to take birth in a very pure family. Two alternatives. So, either you take birth in pure family or in rich family, at least your birth as a human being is guaranteed. But if you don't take to this Krishna consciousness movement, you do not know what is your next birth. There are 8,400,000 of different species of life, and you can be transferred to any one of them. If you are transferred to become a tree, just like I have seen in San Francisco, they said that this tree is standing for 7,000 years. They stand up on the bench for 7,000 years. The boys are sometimes punished by the teachers in the school, stand up on the bench. So these trees are punished, stand up, by nature's law. So, there is chance of becoming a tree, there is chance of becoming a dog, a cat, or a rat. So many lives there. Don't miss this opportunity of human form of life. Perfect your love of Krishna and be happy in this life and next life.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.